Are you trying to choose between Pandora Music and Spotify? You are not alone. Many people wonder which music streaming service is better. In this video, we'll compare Pandora Music and Spotify. Both are popular platforms for listening to music, but they have some key differences. Let's start with what they both offer. Both services let you listen to a vast library of songs and create personalized playlists. They also have options for discovering new music based on your taste. Now, let's look at Pandora Music. Pandora is known for its radio style streaming. You can create stations based on your favorite artists or songs. It's great for discovering music you might not have heard before. The interface is simple and easy to use, making it a good choice for casual listeners. On the other hand, we have Spotify. Spotify offers on demand streaming. This means you can play any song whenever you want. It has a huge library and many curated playlists. Spotify also has a social aspect, allowing you to share music with friends and see what they're listening to. So, what are the main differences? Pandora focuses on radio style listening, while Spotify gives you more control over what you play. If you like discovering new music without making many choices, Pandora might be for you. If you want to pick specific songs and create your own playlist, Spotify is the way to go. When it comes to pricing, both services offer free versions with ads. They also have premium plans without ads. Generally, Spotify's premium plan gives you more features like offline listening. In conclusion, if you prefer a laid back experience, choose Pandora. If you want full control over your music, go with Spotify. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.